In this video, I'm going to show you how to do OCR in PDFgear. Now what OCR will do, for example, if you have a scanned document like this one, and as you can see, I can't select anything, I can't copy it, I can't edit it, I can't do whatever, I could go and click on the OCR button up top under the Home tab, and then this will basically allow me to now edit and basically copy, select, stuff like that on the PDF itself. So click on the OCR, select the pages you actually want. I'm going to do all the pages over here, and then you can also select the languages to recognize. Now this one over here in this document, I only have the English language, so I'm going to click on that and I'm going to click on apply. Now once you do this, it's going to allow you to basically save this as a separate PDF. So I'm just going to type in ocr.pdf, save it over here, press save, and then this is going to take a few seconds up to a few minutes depending on how many pages you have. And when all the pages get processed, it's just going to open up the PDF that's been OCR'd, and you'll be able to see that. We'll be able to basically edit, we'll be able to select, copy text, basically do anything with it, just I could with any PDF that actually is already gone through a OCR and can be edited. So there we go, it's gonna open it up right now. Okay, here we have it, and then I can go over here, and for example, you can already see I can hover over this text like that. I could go inside the edit document tab and then edit the text by clicking edit over here, and then if I scroll down over here, you can see pretty much everything is editable over here as well. Now if your scan is better, the better the scan, the better the OCR is going to be, and sometimes you may have to run through it twice. So if you go to the Home tab again, you may have to go and do the OCR again to actually make it even better, and then when you've done that, it's going to be perfect. You'll be able to edit anything, and then basically that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.